HunterLab, your #1 color measurement solution for the cosmetics industry. Let's face it, color matters in cosmetics. It's not just about beauty. It's about precision, consistency, and trust. But keeping that perfect shade across every batch? It's not easy. Variations in raw materials, lighting, or processing can cause subtle shifts that customers definitely notice. And relying on visual checks? Too subjective and too risky. That's where HunterLab, the world leader in color and appearance measurement solutions, steps in. Scientific color measurement using CIELAB and Hunter L values, including opacity measurements. We help cosmetic brands eliminate guesswork with accurate, repeatable color measurement at every critical stage. Less waste, more revenue. The ColorFlex L2 is ideal for measuring the color of powders such as eyeshadow, blush, and bronzer, as well as nail polish, lipsticks, and semi-solids like foundation, lotions, and creams. This compact 45 0° reflectance spectrophotometer features a modern smart user interface with a touchscreen color display. It accommodates flexible containers, requires no external computer, and allows users to print or export data via Ethernet and USB. Additionally, it supports streaming of measurement data to LIMS and SPC systems. How to measure the color of cosmetic powders. Add the application to a petri dish or sample cup. Place it on top of the ColorFlex L2. Press measure and see the values on the screen. If you are measuring a finished pressed product, place it on top of the ColorFlex L2 directly and follow the same steps. How to measure the color of cosmetic semi-solids like cream or lotion. Add application to a petri dish or sample cup. Place it on top of the ColorFlex L2. Press measure and see the values on the screen. Demonstration with Leneta Card. How to measure color and opacity of opaque cosmetic liquids or semi-solids. Use the method recommended in ASTM D823 to create a uniform film on a Leneta card. For example, in our case, we use a drawdown bar to apply the coating layer for both lipstick and nail polish on an opacity chart. For foundation, we use a skin tone color chart. In ColorFlex L2, select the opacity index in the corresponding workspace. Measure the sample as follows. Place the coated area over the white background on the Leneta card and record the first reading. Place the coated area over the black background on the Leneta card and record the second reading. The color data and opacity data will be displayed on the screen. The Vista L2 is ideal for measuring the color of transparent and semi-transparent liquids and gels, including makeup removers, toners, oil-based liquids such as serums and perfumes. Known as the light transmission superhero, this compact instrument measures both color and haze simultaneously. It delivers results in the color scales and path lengths required for accurate analysis. Vista L2 also allows users to print or stream measurement data directly to LIMS and SPC systems. How to measure the color of cosmetic liquids with Vista L2. Pour the application in a cell or cuvette. Place it in the Vista L2 cell holder. Press measure and see the values of color and haze on the screen. Key benefits of using HunterLab color measurement solutions for the cosmetic industry. Raw materials and pigments. Our instruments verify incoming pigment lots meet spec, ensuring consistent color from the start. In the lab, we help you develop R&D and adjust shades with precision, whether it's a cream, powder, or liquid base. Stability testing? No problem. Accurate color measurement helps you find the best stable form of your product. During production, HunterLab ensures batch-to-batch consistency using objective delta E tolerances. That means fewer reworks, fewer recalls, and more trust in every tube and bottle. From lab to shelf, HunterLab is the gold standard in cosmetic color control. Contact our color experts today to book a personalized demo at HunterLab.com. Let's make color your most reliable asset.